Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all will be fine and doing so great. Today we are here to discuss about Ozone Day, International Day for Preservation of Ozone Layer, also known as Ozone Day. It is celebrated globally on 16th of September every year. United Nations General Assembly UNGA designated this day to raise awareness about the importance of protecting Earth's ozone layer and also to commemorate the signing of Montreal Protocol 1987. If I tell you about Montreal Protocol, it is an international environmental agreement that is aimed at curbing production and reducing the usage of substances such as CFC, which is also known as ozone depleting substance ODS. These are very harmful as they lead to the formation of ozone hole. Ozone is a shield, also known as O3. It is present in the second lowest layer of the atmosphere, that is stratosphere. If it has a hole in it, it is negative sign because ultraviolet rays, which is UV rays, it is very harmful. It can directly come from sun to the earth, which can cause skin cancer, and it is also harmful for environment. Since the signing of Montreal Protocol, it has successfully curbed production and in turn has led to the recovery of ozone layer. This day serves as a reminder of the progress made in the direction of protection of ozone layer. This day also highlights the continuous need for global cooperation to maintain and strengthen such efforts. This day has been celebrated since 1995 to commemorate the significant environmental achievement of this protocol. It has played important role in raising awareness and sustain global commitment towards safeguarding Earth's fragile layer. There are so many common ways to celebrate this day. For example, educational events, awareness campaigns, community engagement, artistic exhibition, policy engagement, partnership building where stakeholders from several sectors come together to exchange knowledge and experience and to foster collective efforts to tackle these challenges. Through various means, we are told about ozone layer, its depletion and ways to protect it and sustainable practices. So, let's pledge to protect ozone layer for brighter and sustainable future. Wishing you all Ozone Day. Let's celebrate this day by nurturing Earth, adopting eco-friendly choices and ensuring greener and safer world.